up, everyone? I'm Cam.
I'm Jenny. I'm Dolores.
And I'm Shannon.
It is our pleasure to welcome our students, staff, faculty, and guests to our 2015 Turnabout Assembly. And now here's our award-winning choir under the direction of Dr. Jeffrey Brownce for the singing of the national anthem and special presentation. Please rise and remain standing for the school song. To invite cheering palms to the floor for our school song. Everyone up!
Turnabout Assembly, so let's get it kicked off with a performance from your varsity cheer team.
we do anything else, let's introduce this year's Select 16. Assisting them today with the Select 16 Honor Corps. The Select 16 have been chosen for their outstanding character by all the faculty at Libertyville High School during their years at Libertyville High School. So let's congratulate them on this huge honor.
All right, and as we introduce you to the men on the honor court, you will notice that they're all sporting some very nice attire today. We can thank our friends at Vernon Hills Men's Warehouse for that. Believe it or not, it's time to start thinking about what kind of tux you want to wear to prom. So, any guys see people on the Sweet 16 or Select 16 if you want to get $40 off your tux rental? And let's give a special thank you to Therese Golsev, our friend at Men's Warehouse. Visit her this spring at Vernon Hills.
Earlier this week, the Select 16 collaborated with Wildcat Productions to put together a little something special and introduce themselves to you guys. Let's take a look right now.
So you ladies just got second in state. I know someone who's gonna get you first in state.
He's a 5-star recruit, straight from Team USA. Name's Jimmy Keefe, everyone.
Jimmy, take your position.
Shout it from the rooftops, write it on the skyline. All we had is gone now. Tell them I was happy and my heart is broken. All my scars are open. Tell them what I hoped would be impossible.
Please welcome Jimmy Keefe and his honor escort, Sammy Mackey.
Hi, I'm Mark Boynton, and here's some of the things you might know me for. My legendary basketball skills. Having tons of friends. My pimp and ride. My naturally sun-kissed, luscious hair. Thanks for watching. I hope everyone has a great turnabout.
Please welcome Mark Boynton and his honor escort, Riley Bernetti.
Hi, I'm Kolaczewski. I'm in drop survey, NHS, intramural basketball, indoor soccer, and flag football.
Let's welcome Kyle Laska and his escort, Emily McCollum.
Come on, don't stop, and keep it going, do it. Let's get it on, move it. The way we do it.
Thank you for voting for me.
Please welcome Grant Seaton and his honor escort, Lauren Demaree.
Hey now, say now, about to put it down. Yeah, coming around with great hair.
Hi, I'm Jack Murphy. Here in high school, I'm a member of NHS. Drops of ink. State champion flag football team. And the hockey team. Thank you.
Please welcome Jack.
Noun, killer whale. Oh, I was just doing some light reading. I'm Ryan Tang, and rather than have myself talk about myself, I'll have some of real LHS people talk about myself.
David, rumor on the street is Ryan bowls overhand.
He's a really nice guy. He's like the nicest guy I've ever met.
I heard Ryan can parallel park trains.
Ryan's so sweet. They named a juice after him.
Ryan Tang and Claire Ziegler.
I haven't lifted for days, John.
I haven't lifted in a while either.
I know.
Your flow's looking kind of out of style, man.
I know. Yo, J-Man, you got a flow band?
Yeah, I got a flow band. Always carry one.
Sick.
No problem, dog.
It's so much better.
You're looking sick, man.
I know.
It's going up to like 7'50".
Yo, yeah, that's awesome.
Whoa.
What do you mean, Daniel?
Please welcome Dan Morbeat on his honored escort, Jenny Pay.
Bye, John.
Hey,
Yo,
bye, Colin.
Bye, John. Daniel, what are you doing with my camera? That's my shirt.
Hi, my name is Ryan Jackson, and I'm really excited to be a part of this year's Turnabout Select 16. I do a lot of things here at LHS. I play baseball, football, and I'm part of Drops of Ink, National Honor Society, and ACE. And while all those things are really important to me, and so is the school, the thing I value the most is my family. So that's why I've decided to bring my mom along here with me today. This woman means so much to me, and I'm so happy to have her here. People say we look alike. You know, I see it a little bit in the face, but I'm really just so excited to have her. I don't know what you're talking about. Yeah, it's my mom, dude.
That's your mom?
Yeah.
Not mine?
Yeah. Alright, see you later.
Ryan Jackson is escort.
Hi, I'm Connor Foster, currently a senior enrolled at Libertyville High School. The Ville, it's been a tough struggle lately, these past couple of 4 years. I've been sticking to my grind, bagging at Sunset Foods. Those 8-hour shifts on the weekends, Saturday and Sunday have been killing me. But in order to stay out of the trouble in life, you know, the Ville's rough, gotta be careful, all the crime rate. I just like to stick to my music, play the drums, helps me keep my mind straight and cool. But most importantly, I like to stick to my roots. Starting from the bottom. Now I'm here. Remember, stay frosty!
Please welcome Connor Foster and his honor escort to Hollingsburg.
Thing ain't lie, I done came through the block and everything that's fly. I'm like, check the barrel with bling on. I'm complex. I never claim that the rings on. Nigga, I get my rings on.
Hey, what's your name?
I'm Brett.
Nice. What clubs are you involved in?
Sorry, I'm in Ace, and what's it called? NHS.
Nice.
So, Brett, are you on any sports? You got it.
Sorry. I did football 4 years, and I had to play lacrosse for 3 years, and I wrestled freshman year.
Nice, thank you.
So, Brett, got any advice for the freshmen out there?
Just don't be nervous from the social situations, and be confident with who you are.
Let's welcome Brett Becker and Maddie Anderson.
What you know about me? What you know about me? What you know about me? What you know?
I said I'm on student council, you'll catch me at the school. I am the best buddies, I think it's really cool.
What you know about me? What you know about me? What you know about me? What you know?
I drive a black Jeep if you see me honk and wave. Have a great TV and have a really nice day.
Joey Pacino and his honor escort, Jane Records.
Not quite 7 years ago, my mother decided to, with some help, bring forth a new legend, named by the nurse as Brent Cobb. Now, while we aren't engaged in a great civil war, I did have to come up with an idea for this video, and I have come to dedicate some of this publicity for those who would have given their lives so that I may be elected on the Turnabout Court. It's altogether fitting and proper that I should do this. But in a larger sense, I cannot dedicate, I cannot consecrate, I cannot hallow the cement floor. The enthusiastic men, living and not dead, who wrote my name everywhere, have consecrated it, unfortunately, beyond my own power to add or detract. Perhaps I should be dedicated to the great task remaining before me, that from my fanatical friends I take increased devotion to that cause for which they gave the last full measure of devotion. That their efforts are not in vain, that I, 430 miles under the sky, shall hope to graduate from high school and not perish from the earth. Amen.
Standing in for Brett is his little brother Bert, escorted by Becky Dykel.
What's your greatest accomplishment? My greatest accomplishment would definitely be winning the 4th grade geography bee. That was definitely a highlight in my life, for sure.
Cool. What song describes you?
I would have to go with Flawless by Beyonce. I mean, like, I woke up with this, so that's just me every morning.
Yeah. What has been your most bizarre life experience?
Definitely middle school. Like, how can you not be awkward at age 11? Like, it's
True.
middle school.
Yeah. What
what will I find in your refrigerator right now?
Definitely Rosati's Pizza. I always probably order Rosati's at least once a week. Always go on Tuesdays, 2 for Tuesdays.
Every Tuesday, Pizza
Yep,
Tuesday.
Definitely.
What is something that makes you angry?
The LHS parking lot when I'm, driving to school and some mom cuts me off when she's dropping her kid off. That just makes me so mad at 7:30.
Yeah, I know.
Definitely. Well, thank you for your time, Chris.
Yep.
All right, signing out.
Signing out.
Ryan Beam and Allie Mercado.
Don't believe me, just watch. Don't believe me, just watch.
Everybody get up, it's time to slam now. We got the real jam going down. Welcome to the Space Jam. Here's your chance, do your dance at the Space Jam. Alright.
Peter Feely and his honor escort, Krista Edson.
You know who to vote for.
Hunter Stogie and Megan Starling.
And there you have it, your Select 16. Let's give them a round of applause. All right, congratulations to all these guys. So recently, we asked them to give a couple interesting facts about them, so we can learn a little bit more about this unique group of guys. So, now it's time to play Turnabout Trivia, so we can see how well they know each other. So now I'd like to introduce our very own game show guru, Jeff Heflin, to help us play Turnabout Trivia.
All right, buddy. How you guys doing today? How you doing today? All right, we're playing a little Jeopardy game. It's going to be the freshmen and sophomores versus the juniors and seniors. All right. So we don't have a lot of time. We need the freshman and sophomore representatives at this podium. Come on up, come on up, come on up. All 8 of you.
podium. Ready? All right, let's try it again. Ready? Press your button. There you go. All right, you guys ready? Play, please. Steve, play. All right, here we go, guys. Play the music, please. All right, guys, you ready? Here we go. We ask that you be quiet while we ask the questions, but you may cheer your team. Here we go. Play, please. All right. Which of the Select 16 has attended the Teen Choice Awards? Yes, you guys.
Grant Dean.
Not Grant Dean, I'm sorry. You guys, do you know? Do you know? Okay, next. It was Joey Pacino. Which Select 16 member is allergic to grass? Which Select 16 member is allergic to grass? There's gotta be one of you guys here. Somebody's got to know who it is. That's correct, yes. All right, here we go. Which Select 16 member is an Eagle Scout? It's one of you guys is up here. Pete Feely is correct, yes. Which member of the Select 16 is probably the most nervous standing up here in front of the school? Probably based on the video it is. Brett Becker's correct, yes. Which member of the Select 16 won 4th grade geography B? Yes. What? Who? Ryan Beam is correct, yes. Who on the Select 16 had an aunt who went to high school with Madonna? You guys. Mark Boynton is correct, yes. What is the first name of the 2 members of the Select 16 who will be attending the University of Wisconsin-Madison? Yes. Ryan and Ryan is correct, yes. Score is 600 to 800. You get 200 points for a correct answer, you'll lose 100 points for a wrong answer. Who in the Select 16's father was once mayor of Libertyville? Yes.
That's Kyle Laska.
Kyle, yes, correct.
Hello?
Which of the Select 16 is not a natural blonde? Yes.
Mark Boynton.
Mark Boynton is correct, yes. Which Select 16 member is a self-proclaimed diehard St. Louis Cardinals fan? Yes.
Ryan?
Correct, Ryan. Which one?
Jackson.
Correct, yes. Whose great-grandpa helped build the Titanic?
Grant Dean.
Grant Dean is correct, yes. Which member of the Select 16's car is currently being held together by duct tape?
Dan Morbido.
Yes, correct. And bungee cords. Which Select 16 member boasted about reaching 350 in the Flappy Bird? I'm not sure what that means.
Jimmy Keith.
Jimmy Keith is correct, yes. Score is 1,400 to 1,200. Let's see who's gonna win this one. Which member of the Select 16 has a trap door in his hair where he stores his wallet and cell phone? What?
Connor Foster.
Yes, correct. That makes no sense to me. Here we go. Who on the Select 16 is the lead singer for a funk cover band named the Velvet El Cameos? Yes.
Colin Morbido.
Who?
Colin Morbido.
Colin, correct. Yes, say it loud, say it proud, everybody. Which Select 16 member has the most gray hair on the court and pulls it off like a male model?
Ryan Tang.
Ryan Tang is correct, yes. Here we go, question 17. Who on the Select 16 ate a worm and liked it? Yes.
Brett Becker. Brent Gow.
Yes, correct. 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 All right, here we go. Which Select 16 member can solve a Rubik's Cube in under a minute? Yes.
Ankur Rastogi.
Yes, correct. 2 more. Which Select 16 member takes the longest to get ready in the morning? Yes.
Joey Pacino.
Correct, yes. Which member of the Select 16 stalked Mike Ditka to get his autograph? Play mode, please. What?
Grant team.
Grant's correct, yes. Doesn't matter because you guys win, you guys! All right, the upperclassmen win. The next game is called Coneheads. Coneheads. Who's playing Coneheads? All right, come on.
I'm not playing in Coneheads.
All right, let's see who can win this one, the upperclassmen or the underclassmen. Here we go. You guys were all briefed how to play this game. So what's gonna happen, everybody? This is a human ring toss. I need one of you guys to be the cone head, 3 of you to toss the rings, and 1 of you to retrieve them on each team. Who's gonna do that? Who's gonna do it? Where's the blue team? Just you? Come on over here. 3 at a time, 3 tossers, 1 cone head, 1 retriever. Who's the retriever? Is that you? All right. Okay. Since you guys are in high school, we're making the rule that you have to keep it on your head. You can move around, you can dance, but you can't lift it off your head. All right? You guys, we're gonna start when I start the music, you're gonna start, cheer on your side. You all understand how to play? Toss it 1 at a time, don't overwhelm your comb head, all right? Right? Start the music, go. First one to 5 wins. Next, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Start the music. Get your head in the game. Here we go. We got 1. Here we go, everybody. All right, here we go. 1-0. Here we go. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Keep going. Keep going, here we go, got 3-0. Oh my, upperclassmen, you're disappointing me here. Oh, that is like way out of there. Oh. Guys, here we go. 4-0. Oh, you got it, guys! Oh, one more. You should have 5 rings. All right, let me know when we're gonna stop this here. All right, you guys, that's it. You're right. You guys give a round of applause. The underclassmen win the game.
Way to go, guys! We just went out with that much closer to finding the crown. So now it's time to announce this year's top 5. The seniors nominated a great group of guys this year in their initial vote, and the seniors were chosen to move forward. Guys, please reach under your seats, and if you find a golden chocolate bar, please move forward.
Congratulations to our top 5. Okay, everybody, at this time, please take out your cell phones to vote for the Turnabout King. To vote for Brett Becker, text vote.1 to 77948. To vote for Mark Boynton, text vote.2 to 77948. To vote for Brent Cow, text vote.3 to 77948. To vote for Grant Dean, text vote.4 to 77948. And to vote for Ryan Jackson, text vote.5 to 77948.
All right, so as you guys know, our wonderful varsity dance team recently went down to state and got second. So we're incredibly proud of this young group of women for their athleticism, creativity, and choreography. So at this time, I would love to invite the Varsity Palms team to perform their song that took second in state.
Great job, Palms, and congratulations. All right, during that performance, we got word that we were getting closer and closer to finding the crown. Just a few more stops along Candyville, and we will be able to crown one of these 5 guys your 2015 Turnabout King. But first, here's the Game Street Guru with a few more games.
All right, great job, everyone. So now if we can invite the balloon suit participants to the floor. Balloon stomp, just kidding. Balloon suit, go back. Go back. Balloon stomp.
All these last minute script changes. Okay, everybody, we're gonna do a game called Balloon Stomp. We need the 8 people who were called out for that. The 8 people called for that come over here into the inner circle. What we're gonna do is we're gonna give them a balloon with a rubber band on it. They're gonna tie it to their leg. When we start the music, they're gonna try to stop the other balloon while keeping theirs safe. You might have played this at parties when you were younger. We're gonna do it for you live right here. So we're gonna take a balloon with a rubber band. All right, guys, we're on a time clock here. Let's see it quickly here. I'm getting older real quickly. I just had a birthday. There's another one. All right. So we gotta stay in the circle here. We're gonna make it really hard. In the center circle, we need to be in here. What you're gonna do is you need to keep your balloons safe and you gotta knock out the other balloons. The team that wins has the most balloons live when we tell you to stop. So you need to stay in the black circle. If you exit the black circle, you're disqualified, you're out. So pretend it's like an electric fence or something, all right? You guys got it, you ready? Steve, start the music. Now, go. Here we go, there goes the white. Here we go. If your balloon's broken, get out of there. If your balloon's broken, get out of there. There we go. There's the white. You're outside there. Don't hurt each other, though. Don't hurt each other. No wrestling. No wrestling. That's another event. All right, here we go. Keep going. We got about 5 left. I see 3 black and 2 white. Here we go. All right, we got 1 white left. 2 white left. 4 black. White team, you gotta keep it. White team, you gotta keep it. Don't go out of the one. Don't go out of the one. She lost the balloon. Bye-bye. Thank you very much. All right, here we go. We got black team wins, you guys. Give it a round of applause. All right, everybody, here we go. The next game is called Balloon Suits. Balloon Suits. Sort of a balloons, but different. Here we go. If you're playing Balloon Suits, come out here. Let's get you guys center so everyone can see you. All right. So here we go. Okay, all right, so what you want to do is you want to find the smallest person, that'd be you, put on these pajamas over your clothes, obviously. This is going to be hilarious. This is your Facebook moment for the day, guys. You may have all the places will play this at a party. It's a lot funnier than assembly, that's for sure. All right, you can take off your boots though, that might help. Seriously, don't rip our balloon suits. All right. Just don't, all right, here we go. So what the object is, everybody, when I tell you to start, not using the white balloons here, this is out of bounds. All right? You're gonna blow up, this is the deal. You're gonna try to blow up, you played this before? Okay, so you're gonna blow up the balloons. They have to be big enough to fit in the suit and to put in the suit. You gotta figure out how big to make them because whoever's balloon suit is full first, they stop the clock. So you make them too big, and then you're not gonna have enough balloons. You make them too small, they're gonna win. Get it? You guys get it? It's boys versus girls. They're like, you hear us? All right? All right. Should really be 4 people playing this, but it's going to go quicker than we thought. Are you ready? I didn't put the balloons down. I didn't say start. You ready? Are you ready? All right, start the music. Now go. Sherman, right? Sherman, 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 Sherman.
If you are wise, you'll listen to me.
What do you get when you guzzle down sweets?
Eating as much as an elephant eats. What are you at?
Sherman, right? Sherman, here we go, Sherman.
What do you think will come of that? I don't like the look of it.
Here we go, everybody. Stop as many balloons as you can.
You will go far.
Sherman, you guys. This is my favorite game of all time. I love this game. All right, here we go. Keep going, keep going, keep going.
I've got another puzzle for you. If you are wise, you'll listen to me. Don't you incline when it's once in a while.
Here we go, everybody. Sherman, I hear you cheering out there. Let's get some energy out there. Let's get some energy. Come on, here we go. All right, who's stuck? Well, you can't put them. Are you done? You're not done? I think you guys are almost done there. I'm going to call it in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. 3, 2, 1. Stop the music, put your balloons down. All right, first of all, you guys step back a bit. My Oompa Loompas here. Come over here. You guys get away with the video camera. Uh-oh. You're dropping your balls, man. Thank you. All right, that's it. All right, take your pictures. Come on, you guys, get together. All right. Face the underclassmen so they can see. All right, face the upperclassmen. All right, here we go. We're gonna go over there. We're gonna count. You ready? Let's get these out of the way. You can't pick up anymore. What are you doing? All right, we're gonna take them out. You're gonna break them. You ready? Break them. 1. We're gonna count. You guys ready? Can I have somebody who can break the balloons? You ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Use your fingernails. 5, 6, 7. What do you guys do? The boys are cheating. What's that? 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Come on. Are you done? 14 balloons. Here we go, boys. You ready? Put that down. What are you doing? You guys, the boys are cheating. You guys see that? No, we don't see anything. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Uh-oh, you guys may not win even with all that. Even with all those picking up the balloons, the girls still win, you guys!
Alright guys, we've loved seeing all the school spirit this week, and we've really enjoyed the creativity the girls put into their Turnabout asks. We've had almost 600 posts on our hashtag Alvo Pride, so it was really hard to choose just one overall winner.
Your creativity was amazing. It ranged from banana suits to Pikachus to fake parking tickets and saxograms. While there were so many funny creative asks, there can only be one grand prize winner.
Alright, so first we would like to recognize our runners-up, which are Steph McLaughlin and Jordan Ski. So if you guys could come down and get your $20 Chipotle gift card. Alright, and the grand prize winner who will have their dinner paid for on behalf of Student Council is Emma Williams. So congratulations, everyone.
Congratulations, Emma.
Guys, I just got word that we are so close to finding the crown. We've got one more group who just might hold the key to finding the crown. Please put your hands together for the first ever performance of Wildcat Candy Crush.
guys, we're super excited for the dance tomorrow. You won't believe all the surprises we have in store for you, so we look forward to seeing you all tomorrow night at the dance.
Tickets are still available at the door for $25, but don't forget your ID because that's your ticket into the dance. And now here's Cam for the moment you guys have all been waiting for.
Thank you, Shannon. And everyone, I'm so excited to introduce to you a very special guest who will be helping me crown this year's Turnabout King. Ladies and gentlemen, can we please welcome back to the floor this year's homecoming queen, Miss Mallory Marvin. Mallory, will you please join me and do the honor? Drum roll, please. This year's Turnabout King is Grant Dean.